Number 8, the bar graph shows the flavors of gum bought yesterday by the customers at a store. Each customer bought only one flavor of gum. Which statement is not supported by the data displayed in the bar graph? Let's pull the graph up and break it down and see where we're at. Usually when we work with a table like this where it doesn't give us the number of responses, we need to figure out what's the total amount of data points we're working with on these problems. So let's put it into a table. We'll start with spearmint. We've highlighted it there. It looks like it hits 50. So when we look at spearmint, there are 50 for spearmint. Moving on to peppermint, there are 20 responses for peppermint, 30 for watermelon, and 20 for cinnamon, for a total of 120 responses in this data table. So let's take this information and go through our answer choices and see which one works. So the same number of customers bought peppermint as the number of customers who bought cinnamon. Let's highlight them in our table. They are the same. So yes, A works. All right, moving on to B. The mode flavor was watermelon. Mode means most, which means that the response that happened the most. Well, when we look at the most, spearmint happened the most. So B doesn't work. The mode flavor was not watermelon, it was spearmint. Moving on to C, looking at our total, there were 120 customers who bought gum yesterday. We did that in the beginning of this problem. There were 120 customers who bought gum yesterday, so that one works. C is correct. And finally, D, there were 2.5 times as many customers who bought spearmint as customers who bought peppermint. So we can take peppermint and multiply it 2.5 times, or take it 2.5 times with repeat addition to figure out if that one works. So we have one group of 20, one group of 20, and half a group is 10. If we add those up, we get 50. It's 2.5 times. It works. If you see spearmint has 50. So that's all the work there is to do on this one. Creating a table is such a fantastic way to see all this. So finally, which statement is not supported by the data displayed in the bar graph? B, the mode flavor was watermelon.